my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but today I decided to do a little food vlog of some of the places we ate in Southern California. We went to Santa Barbara, Santa Monica, Los Angeles, Oxnard, Ventura, and we ate some really good stuff. Hopefully you like this. If you do, let me know. I go to California all the time, and I can do this all the time. Alright, I hope you enjoy. Art's table. What'd you think? Brian got the scallops with the risotto. $22.
It's actually higher, but it was good. I don't think it's up to like Chef Ramsay's standard. It's pretty solid.
Okay. Yeah. Would you get it again?
Not from there, but I would try somewhere else. Yeah.
He did put a lot of Tabasco on it, so usually that's a sign that it needed more flavor.
No, they gave me the chef's Tabasco, and like it had the thing open, so it spilled all over the sauce.
Yeah, that is true too. I got a burger. It was really good. I would do it again. Now we're walking to downtown Santa Monica? Sure. We'll see what we get. It's not cold today, which is nice, and it's not hot either. A lot of stores closed. There was a lot of outlet type stores, a lot of restaurants with DJs, and there was a Carlos Bakery, so we got some of those. There's a Uniqlo, so I got a t-shirt. Yeah, there was people. Anytime there were children, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start filming. Do it wrong. After picking up Eric from the airport, we went to Los Angeles and we went to Menya Tigre Curry Noodle. It was a really cute street. We got curry ramen. We also got surf and turf with curry, and then we got an appetizer, karaji chicken. All very good. I would highly recommend. And then next door there was Fang Fruit Tea, so my brother and I got mango grapefruit sago smoothie with pulp and coconut milk. Also very good. Everything in the street looked really cute and actually really delicious. We also went to Two Hand Soul Fresh Corn Dogs. I got the potato dog with mozzarella inside. It was really good. B got the classic dog with sausage, and we also got the lemonade slush. Everything was really good. You could change the interior, exterior to like spicy sausage and crispy rice, or the exterior. I would highly recommend it, and they're all over, so maybe there's one near you. Moving on from Santa Monica and Los Angeles, we have Ventura, where we go to Ventiki Lounge and Lanai. Hopefully I'm pronouncing everything okay. This place is a very good place, one of our favorites. Very nice locals here too. But they have a great happy hour. We got some Pele chicken tacos, some Kahlua pork sliders, and we tried every drink on the happy hour menu, such as Ventiki Mai Tai, Chi, the Fuss, Shrunken Head. Just everything is really good. Walking distance from Ventiki, you have a lot of bar options, which is kind of cool. We went to the Bank of Italy Cocktail Trust. This used to be an old bank, and they turned it into kind of like a speakeasy type bar. It was okay. It was a really nice atmosphere, but the drinks were a little too strong for me and a little too bittery. But still a really cute place. Where are we?
We are at the train station, Oxnard to Santa Barbara.
It's really bright.
Super bright.
Overcast, not cold, but cold. Yeah, I don't know.
It's nice out, honestly.
I didn't take my jacket off though. I'm a little sweaty. We're just waiting for it. I got delayed twice. Went to the bathrooms. They were alright. Nothing to like, you know.
Mine were rough, so I'll use the restroom. Just pee yourself.
So let's see how this goes. finally made it to Santa Barbara. It took forever. It should have been maybe less than an hour. And we were at, what, 1 hour and a half? 2?
I'll say 2.
Because I guess there was someone on there that wasn't supposed to be on there and gave the police a hard time.
Yeah, police officer came by with his baton.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And then we saw him getting pulled by the, is it a pulley? Gully?
No, on a stretcher.
Stretcher.
I'm assuming they got into it a little bit and he got, sedated and got taken out in a stretcher.
And then, but he was handcuffed. Overall, it was nice. Like not that part. We just ate at
Chad's used to be Sambo's.
the portions are huge. Share. The mimosa fly was good. I would do it again. The sandwich was good. How was your burrito?
It was good. Standard.
Yeah.
Very generous with everything. The bacon, the avocado, everything.
So generous. Average taste. Like you're not like, it's a diner. It felt like a diner.
It's a fancy diner for if you want to get drinks.
But the prices weren't bad. Like my sandwich was 13. Yours was like 13 too.
16.
Mimosa flies were 13.
13.
So really good prices. Just share if you're not that hungry. Yeah, we're at the beach now. And then I don't know what we're gonna do after this, but yeah, overall pretty good. Good ambiance. They only open in the morning though.
Closes at 3, so
yeah.
Good hungover music. Food.
Hi guys, it's very late, or I don't even know what time. We are in test pilot. We had a jungle bird. It was really strong, and Brian had a
Thai iced tea.
It was also very strong. And then we had daiquiris, which tasted like lemon drops. And yeah, overall it was cute. I don't think this feels like a tiki bar compared to yesterday. Just because yesterday the theme was like all over the place. This one is mostly inside, Brian says. But the weather's great. We're just hanging out. There's no one here. Literally no one here. It's Tuesday though, to be fair. Like a 4.
The afternoon, yeah. People are still working.
Not everyone can be a teacher,
Or whatever it is I do.
Yeah, Brian's tell me what you think Brian does for a living. Look at his shirt. That will give you a clue.
Yeah, I think I work at a dispensary or something.
He went to college. That'll be your clue. He has a bachelor's. Alright, we'll see you at the next place we just went to Pascucci's. How was your we had a Parmesan chicken. We shared it. We told her and she shared it for us.
She fed us too, like spoon and everything.
No. How was it?
It was good.
Yeah. How was your drink?
It was okay.
My drink didn't taste like alcohol. There was nothing in there.
It's more of a food place than a drink place.
Yeah.
It's one or the other, always.
But the little area was really cute.
The next train arriving into the station.
Oh, cool. In Oxnard, there was a place called the Annex that was kind of like a food court. It was really cute. We tried the Burning Mouth chicken tendies. We got the good, and it was really spicy, but really good. And the fries there are also really good. We would highly recommend it, but when it says it's hot, it is hot. And then we also tried Don Waffly. This one's more of a small business. The egg sandwiches was really good. Brendan got the fluffy scramble twice. That's how good it was. A little bit messy. And then the waffle sticks, you can change the topping. Alright guys, don't forget to
Link and subscribe. Comment too.
Did you say link?
Yeah.
Link what?
Share and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yeah.
What should they
like,
comment?
subscribe, comment your favorite part of the trip, what you want to do when you're here.
Okay. And until next time.
Adios.
Adios.